Hit up, uncovered. The many faces of a phrasal verb. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, hit up. It might sound a bit strange if you hear it for the first time, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in different contexts. Hit up is a phrasal verb, which means it combines a verb with a preposition to take on a unique meaning. The basic idea behind hit up is to approach someone or something for a particular purpose. Let's dive into some common uses. 1. Asking for something. Can you hit up Mike for the book he borrowed? 2. Visiting a place. I'm going to hit up the new coffee shop after work. 3. Contacting someone. I'll hit you up later to discuss the details. While it's hard to pinpoint the exact origin of hit up, many believe it came from urban slang. Over the years, the phrase has been adopted into mainstream English, and its use has expanded. For instance, in modern contexts, especially among the younger generation, you might hear, 1. I need some new music. I'm going to hit up Spotify. 2. We should hit up that new sushi place downtown. It's amazing to see how language evolves and adapts over time. As with many phrasal verbs, there can be some common misunderstandings. Let's clarify a couple. 1. Not a violent action. Though hit can often mean a physical action, in the context of hit up, it's not about violence. 2. Context matters. Hit up can have different meanings based on the context. For instance, I'll hit you up later usually means I'll contact you later. But let's hit up the store means let's visit the store. And there we have it. Hit up is a versatile phrase with several meanings, mostly centering around the idea of approaching or contacting someone or something. Remember, like all phrasal verbs, practice is key. The more you use it in your conversations, the more natural it'll feel. We hope this video has been helpful, and next time you hear hit up, you'll know exactly what it means. Happy learning!